Hey everyone, maybe you're low on windshield washer fluid. I want to show you how to fill it up in this 2022 Silverado. The first thing you're going to want to do is find your hood latch. On the Silverado, it's on the dash right underneath the steering wheel. You can see the steering wheel here. And it's got a little picture on it of a little car with a hood popped. Pull the lever. Now on the Silverado, you kind of have to put your hand right above the V and the R, kind of right in between the two, and you'll feel a little lever. You want to put your fingers on it, push it to the right, and then lift. You can see it right there. Just push it that way, and then you can lift the hood. If you're looking at the engine, you want to look over here on the right side. Once you look over on the right side, you're going to see this little cap. It has a windshield with fluid being squirted up on it. This is the reservoir that we're going to fill up for our windshield washer fluid. Boom, just like that. Do not put windshield washer fluid here. Don't put windshield washer fluid here either. This is for your brakes. Don't put it here. This is for your coolant. Don't put it here either. This is the only one you want to put it on. And you know it's the right one because it's going to be in the fender well on this particular truck. So if you have a Silverado, any vehicle really, not just a Silverado, look for a cap that's kind of similar to that. You want to see the windshield, you want to see the fluid getting squirted on it, and if you open it up, it's going to have a distinct smell. If you've ever cleaned your windshield with windshield wiper fluid, you know what I'm talking about. I'm using some windshield washer fluid that I had just laying around the shop. I used this on a trip, picked it up. I was running a little low. Been out of town for a while. This one's not really my favorite stuff, but I'm going to use it as an example. All you do is pour it in. It's real simple. That'll take care of that. We'll throw this away. Close the lid, close the hood. You're good to go. Now my preference is to use Rain-X windshield washer fluid, but really it's all ish the same. I prefer Rain-X because I like how it puts a coating of Rain-X automatically on my windshield. So take your pick, whatever stuff you like. If you like the 98-cent stuff at Walmart or $2 stuff or whatever, that's fine too. I prefer the Rain-X stuff. It just seems to work a little bit better. But I hope you got something out of that. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys later.